using my vacuum to clean up the mess that we've got over here. I love this little vacuum. It works so good. Look at all this stuff it's picking up. Got all that stuff in there. I also love the fact that it's got these washable filters so that you can clean these out. It comes with 2 of them. So, and then I've actually got some extra ones here. So, yeah. And then it's got all of these attachments. I love my little vacuum. If you guys haven't seen these, you definitely need to check them out because they work great. And they're so easy and light that my kid can use one.